this is usually how I make my trading strategies. So I go on dailyfx.com, do this website, and then I click on the subtitle, look for trading strategies, sentiment. And you can read over how they use the philosophy behind this IG client sentiment. So it's pretty much trading against their own client. And they have the weekly position, weekly, daily. So I usually go with weekly. As we can see an example here, euro against US dollars. Most of their clients are net short. 66% of their clients is shorting this pair. So they say go long. So opportunity here. I'll look for opportunity on the chart. Click on this, enlarge it. So it says go long, right? This is 15 minutes chart. And look from the big screen. You can even look from the weekly. So you can see the high. This is back in 2014. It's like right here in this position. And it just crashed down, lowest to here, and then went back up. In 2018, this is the highest it reached, and just keep going down and never break this threshold. So we can draw a trend line from here to here. Oh, this one. And then I can draw another one. From there to there. Okay. So it looks like it's breaking a little bit on the trend line. So on the weekly basic, I would put a position right here, right above the resistance here. I'll put a buy 1,000. This is based on a $100,000 account. This is a practice account, just using for demonstration purposes. Right here, and do one right up below this candlestick. $1,000. Go back to daily. Go down to daily. You can see this. And we can find a price point way above it, like right here. That's way above the buy entry. Do here, sell entry. Let's do 500. So my idea is that we never chase after the market. So I will not just like open the position right here. I will open the position below the current price and that go up. And this setup, this entry is way, so we see the buy entry, we have the buy signal right here, as we can see. So we want to get into entry on the buy first. So we want to be, our entry wants to be closer to the price. And then if it goes up, shoot up that fast up there, usually it will bounce back down. This is on a daily chart. So the trading opportunity, it takes a long time because each of those candlesticks represent a day. So in order for this to jump over here, you can see from here, it takes days, like weeks, even months to get to that position. So we can look for other opportunity, go down to 4 hours. When we go down to the 4 hours chart, each candlestick represents 4 hours. So we can even get a little bit closer to this price. We can put it maybe using this as a reference, put it right here, entry level, 1,000 unit. 1,000 unit costs $24. And then each pit, each movement, it costs 10 cents. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes each day, the movement can be, let's see. You can see for, let's say from here to here, it's like 9, 10 pits a day. So that's like $1 a day. If you buy from here all the way to here, that's $10 for you. Move it. And then we want to find a price that's way above here, maybe here. Then we'll do a 500 entry. Let's see, entry costs $12. So it goes up to here, and it will definitely come back down. And at that point, we can set up around right here to do a buy entry, like buy entry right here. Once this is trigger, only if this is trigger, probably it's going to hit this one and then go up there. That's what we're hoping for. Okay, go down to an hour. See, there's more opportunity here. We can even put another buy entry right here. And then just sell it right here. So if you want to do like a take profit thing, so for example, if we open the position right here, always make sure that the pips is more than 10, because I know this brokerage, they have some slippage. So that means if you ask a slippage mean is that if you pricing, if you put an entry right here, so you want to exit the trade right here, sometimes they might give you a worse price, not a better price, and that called slippage. So it's supposed to be a 10 pits from here to here, 10 pits, but sometimes they will execute it like right here instead of right there for you. So basically, this is my strategy, and I can show you from my AVX book. Oh, let's see. My AVX book. Oh, let's try. This is my username. So we can go here. This is one of my other account. A smaller account. This is about $23 one. I have a bigger account. Let me show you. This one called FXCM. You can see this one. I deposit for $560, withdraw $10, and then this is the profit I made so far today. I started seriously trading at the beginning of this year. So I started with 2019. This is my track record. You can see. And this is when I deposit like about $500. 200 here, $200 here. And I'm just getting used to how to use that much money. Yeah, it does do something with your psychology too, like the fear of losing those money. So we can see this week profit is $34, this month $40. This year so far is $125 profit. And then that's just like my strategy. I always look at the IG client sentiment. I just go through them, like the bearish, then I will try to get on the bear side on this pair, as I did with that. So when I see mix, so I'll just go either side, for example, for this one. Because for this one, when I say bullish, I'll put more position on the buy. Like for here, this is like 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and this is only like 500. Oh, this is 1,000 too, and this is 500. You can see that. So I'll have less on the buy and then further away from the current price, and then from the buy it's closer to the current price, and then the sell order is further away from the current price. So if I have a mixed signal, I'll go both sides either way. It doesn't really matter. And then another way to verify the trend through technical terms, you can click on this one, US dollar, JPY, scroll down, USD, JPY chart by trading view. So I click on that, hit technicals, and then this is a technical analysis. It just gives you all the oscillator moving average, all their indicator, and then if it gives you the signal, if it does generate a signal, it would tell you the actions: buy, 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 sell right here, neutral. Here's the 4 hours. So the trend is telling us buy. So I'll try to create an entry for US dollar and Japanese yen. I'll do like this. This is a 30 minutes chart. I'll do like this. I'll do 1,000 entry right there. And then I'll take profit, say price around like this price level, say 64. And then we've reconverted to the pips range is 46 pips, 46 pips. So each pitch is about 10 cents. So we're making about $4 here. And then I'll do a sell order also. I'll put it around right here. It's all about feel. And then the more you do, you want to know more about your own style. Here, take profit. Let's say, let's just say 20. Let's say another, do 50 pips too. So about, I'll give you about $4.54 right here. So that's basically it. I encourage you to download. Go here, this website, and download their trading platform to get used to how to use their chart and how to do entry and get a feel for it. And I really encourage you to deposit $50 and give it a try on the feel of this game. The goal of this is, it is like a game. It's not really about making money first. You have to learn how to use this vehicle as a vehicle first, like how to drive a car, ride a bike before going to a race, trying to win trophy or money for it. So that would encourage you to use the practice account to get familiar with this trading platform, and definitely deposit at least $50 and learn about the fill of the money goes, like the position. So if you put $50, every time when you open the position, so let's say here we'll do the buy. So every time when you can look at right here, margin required. So if you only have $50, as I said, for example, if you deposit $100, every time when you put a trade, you do not want to go over $2. So the rule of thumb is 2% of your total account. So each time, if you put $100, each time your trade unit should be around 50 or below. So if we put $50 in, the maximum you should go is 25 unit. And you won't be making much money, but it can give you a good feel of it. So I encourage you to start it small. So this is, each pit is not even $1. I mean, it's not even a penny. So this is 100 pit. That will earn you barely a quarter. So 100 pips is very far. So 100 pips, I'll show you 100 pips. So you can see this is a day. Per hour. Per day, 17. So it's a very long way. You probably need to go to day to show you what is 100 pips mean. Well, it's very far. So just get familiar with it and try to play with it, and then you will see. Oh, let me try to shut this down. So those will conclude my presentation to you. I'm just trying to turn this off right now.